Hello everybody, my name is James Howe and this is Chef at Home, and I am back once again, not with the Renegade Master, but with another thrilling instalment of my mystery ingredient challenge. If you missed out on the vote and you want to take part next week, head to patreon.com/chef at home and you can register your votes there. And of course we're on the YouTube, so hit like, hit subscribe if you want to. Hit like if you find this the slightest bit amusing, and hit subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Any road, let's get cracking. Well, the size of that pile makes me a bit nervous. 3, 2, 1. What the friggin' hell? Oh, right, fuck me. Welcome back to Shit with Sugar on, James. Right, we've got chicken wings. Nice, okay. Cornflakes, I'm not using all of them. They're drier than Gandhi's flip-flop. Red chilies, nice, I can work with that. Some runny honey. That's only 4. Look, why is there only 4? Just been told I've had it too easy doing it with 5. It's been going too well. So now I've only got 4. Well, that's thrown me a curveball, but oh, I tell thee what. Why is my accent so strong today? I was on phone to my mum, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, man. I don't need a lot of thinking time with this one, cause I'm going to nick an idea from the Colonel here, I think. Can I say it? Cur for cur. Let's go with cur for cur. I'm going to use the cornflakes to make a nice crisp coating for these. And do a nice chilli, nice sweet chilli sauce. As you thought she'd stitch me up by only doing 4. Right, let's get set up. Alright, so the plan is I'm going to do the chicken wings in a nice salt and pepper crispy coating. Then I'm going to do like a sweet spicy pepper relish to go with it. So the ingredients I've picked out for my 5 are pepper, corn flour, parsley, lemon and milk. Right, let's get going. 3, 2, 1. The first job is to crush up the cornflakes so nice and fine. Trying to get like a breadcrumb consistency. I've got milk, corn flour, big hit of salt and pepper. Looks like a chef version of tennis elbow from doing this. Quite a repetitive motion, isn't it? What am I talking about? Alright, so I've got a pan of oil that I put on earlier, cheating maybe. And into the corn flour, into the milk, providing that sticks, that'll be pretty good. If it don't, I'm buggered. If I've achieved nothing else, cornflakes make a hell of a mess. You get these into fry, I'll run out of time completely. Look at mess, some bastard's breakfast on me bloody chopping board here. Right, just let them cook out a little bit. Another pan on here. Smash out some peppers. Oh hey, I forgot to put the bloody parsley in the chicken. Never mind. Find another home for it. Right, chilies. Keep a few back to garnish the rest into my relish, and for the next 6 minutes don't touch my face. Garlic, bit of lemon juice, a little bit of honey, off you cook. Just because I don't want to set my house on fire, I'm going to take them out the oil, get them in the oven for the past few minutes. Oven smoke in my eyes, chilli on my fingers. Oh, what do I do? Jesus. Alright, now parsley, some into the relish. What have I got? Just over 2 minutes. Just over 2 minutes. Okay. I'm going to blend that pepper. So in theory now, that's going to be more like a relish or a dipping sauce. And relish on, maybe 2 or 3 of these. Let's go with 3. Odd numbers look prettier, don't they? Final dash of salt, bit of lemon, parsley, and a few chilies. Cracking. Alright, tasting time. It's actually the first one where I'm looking forward to actually eating it. Yeah. Bugger it. That's like proper. My mum's gonna kill me for talking my mouth full. Yeah. It's got a good kick, that relish. Yeah, well happy with that. Not the most diet friendly dish, but yeah, not too bad at all. I think a bird just shit on my window. Anyway, I'll get Mrs. Howe to officially adjudicate and tell me if this is a winner or not, but I strongly believe that that absolutely is. That takes the scores to 4-2 to me. So you lot, C-, must try harder. But anyway, I'll wrap this up with my kitchen looks like the wreck at Esperus. I have definitely touched my eyes at some point because they are stinging. So I need to go and sort myself out. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Okay now.